sudden good attack. On her weakness, my horse and I carry anger forth and back, but we'll make it somehow. You have all what's mine, and you're leading me now. We will lose our breath and fight, and you give me the look of thorns we give liars every night. But I get you somehow. Leave the reins inside, 'cause you're leading me now. Pace, you scared me blind. We will come back and joke of days when I sold you to the unkind. We will end up somehow with a peaceful mind, and you're leading me now. Time we wonder what we left back in your heart. Could you see we're dreaming, though our minds just fall apart? But we will end up somehow with a peaceful mind, and you're leading me now.
But left a trace by carving riddles on the lonesome pine. Oh, but rumor has it that I wasn't born. I just walked in one frosty morn into the vision of some vacant mind. Oh, once I held a pony by its flying mane, and once I caught the shadow in the turning game. But I will fight this stranger that you should fear, so I won't be a burden of tomorrow, dear. And Savior's on the border of the sun, swings on the chambers of her guns, and tries to shoot the cord and light the path. Oh, but hell, I'm just a blind man on the plains. I drink my water when it rains, and live by chance among the lightning strikes. Oh, once I held a glacier to an open flame, and once I felt like wildcat in the falling gate. But I will fight this stranger that you should fear, so I won't be your burden out tomorrow, dear. Oh, feed the canyon's mouth. They will go on forever till they sang you out of time. But I will fight this stranger that you should fear, so I won't be your burden out tomorrow, dear.